Accede. Exceed. To agree to a request, demand, etc. To be more than a particular number or amount. He acceded to demands for his resignation. The weight of the bag should not exceed 20 kilos. Accept. Accept. To say yes to something or to agree to something. To not include somebody or something. The university has accepted me on the course. The museum is open every day except Mondays. Addition. Addition. Adding something, especially two or more numbers. One of a series of newspapers, magazines, television, or radio programs. The children learned addition and subtraction. The morning edition of a newspaper. Effect. Effect. To change somebody or something. The result of the change. Her personal problems seem to be affecting her work. The effects of acid rain on the lakes and forests.